Hi, my name is Zach Shansky. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to sign up for a free trial of Zepl through Snowflake's Partner Connect. Let's begin. In order to interact with Partner Connect, ensure that your user role is set to Account Admin. Now, drill down on the Partner Connect icon. You'll select the Zepl tile towards the bottom, and here you'll see all of the assets that Snowflake will create for you. By the end of this video, I will show you how to connect to any database, warehouse, or schema that you already have created in Snowflake. The only thing left now is to activate your account and create a login. When you sign up for a free trial of Zepl, you'll have pre-created notebooks to teach you how to use the product. We're going to explore one of those notebooks on getting started with Snowflake. The first thing that we're going to do is attach a data source to your notebook. We'll execute that notebook and retrieve back tips and tricks of how to use Zepl. In the tooltip, click Next. Then navigate to the Snowflake Partner Connect Getting Started notebook. Here, you'll select the data source icon on the right side of the screen and attach your data source. This data source was pre-created for you by Partner Connect when you activated your account. Now you're ready to bring data into this notebook for your analysis. Add the data source name to this input that we created at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click Run and execute all the panels in this notebook. Feel free to scroll down through the different panels for tips and tricks on how to use Zepl and Snowflake. Finally, mouse over the name of your data source and select the gear icon. Here, you'll see all the configuration needed to edit this data source or create a new connection. Thank you for watching. Go sign up for a free trial of Zepl through Snowflake's Partner Connect.